The edge detector tool will find an edge using contrast and highlight it. To add an edge detector tool, click the plus button. This will add the tool to the camera window. It will find the edge closest to the middle of the tool. Rotating it will lock onto a horizontal line. Grabbing the boxes on the edges will make the tool area larger or smaller. The rotation and size of the tool can be adjusted with these controls. Reset the tool by clicking this button. The minimum strength can be adjusted using the edge strength slider. This filter value relates to the expected spread of an edge across multiple pixels of a profile. Increasing the filter size can be a valid strategy to detect defocused edges. Expected polarity. The tool can be configured using the expected polarity setting to only detect positive, only negative, or all edges. Turning on Show All Edges will show all detected edges. When position is selected, a perfect score of 1.0 is achieved when the edge occurs at the exact middle of the tool. When strength is selected, a perfect score is assigned to an edge which transitions the full dynamic range of the image. The color of the highlighted edge and the surrounding box can be customized.